guys, in last section we have saw that about operators. So today's section let us know about relation operator, how it will be work relation operator. So let us start. Relation operator to compare content of two or more items on other, take certain decision, use it for certain decisions to compare between two items. The next point, it is used to compare variable and expression or expression, comparison between variable expression, right? So this is a main point. So next one is the result of relation operator will be in 0, I can tell false or true. It will be, we will be get output in a false or true. Then false means we will be get value of 0. Then true means we will be get a value of 1. So we will be get output as false and true as 0 and 1. So types of operators. So let us know about types of operators. We will be get less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to, not equal to. Even I had gave a operator meaning, example, result also. So remember this 0 means 1 for e, so 0 means false, true means 1. So even if you had saw this example, 5 is less than 2, it is a false. Then we will be get a 0 value. So if you had saw this simple example, you will be get to know easily, right? So I hope this are some small example you will be get to know. So now let us see the code program for relation operator. So I had wrote a program. So in this I had took a x, y arrays variable. You if you want, you can take a b, c, whatever you needed. So I had took x and y. I had gave values x equal to 5, y equal to 2. So in table also we had took x as a value for 5 and 2. So we shouldn't get confusion. So in this also I have took same, x equal to 5, y equal to 2. So now res equal to x is less than y. I had took x means 5, y means 2. So in this we will be get, so x means in this we will be get 5, y means we will be get a 2. So 5 is less than 2 we will be get. So let us see the result. So build it, no errors. So I had got a 0. 0 means false. Remember that value. So we had got a correct output. 5 is not less than y. So another condition I will be put, greater than y. So build it, no error, run it. So we had got the output as 1. So you can be see here as a 1. Then it is a true. 5 is greater than 2. True. It is a true condition. So we had got as a 1. Then again one condition I will be put, 5 is greater than or equal to. So in relation operator, if any one condition is true means we will be get answer as true. Both the condition shouldn't be any true, that is nothing. So any one value, any one condition we have to get the true. So build it, no error, run it. So even we had got as the output for 1 because 5 we had got one condition is true in this. 5 is greater than y. So equal to is not true, but one condition must be true I had said. So equal to I had gave now. Build it, no error, run it. So 0. Output I had got a 0 because false. 5 is not equal to 2. So this is just a simple examples for relation operators. So I hope that guys you had got understanding all the operators. Step by step I am telling. So this is today's section for relation operators. Even if you needed, you can be check any other condition, you will be get easily output. So thank you guys for watching my videos.